Next, we are having thermos flask. So, what do you mean by thermos flask? See carefully. Actually, whatsoever bottle we are using in our daily life, which keeps the hot liquid hot and cold liquid cold for few minutes or few hours, that bottles are known as thermos flask. And thermos flask is invented by Sir James Dever in 1890. And by his name Dever, it is also known as Dever flask. Clear? Actually, this thermos flask is a double-walled container made up of thin glass. This thermos flask is a double walled container made up of thin glass, and the outer surface of the inner wall and inner surface of the outer wall, they both are silvered polished. This wall is also silver polished, this wall is also silvered polished. Why it is silver polished? See carefully. For example, inside hot liquid is there, fine, and this heat can move or come toward this also, na. So if it is silver polished, silver can reflect back the heat into the liquid only, and this heat will go back into the liquid and liquid do not lose its heat. Plus these both walls are having vacuum also, means from this wall air is taken out, means we are making it the vacuum. Why we are making it vacuum? If for example heat is coming out from this liquid, that heat will not move from vacuum by the conduction or convection, because in conduction and convection we have to use the particles or medium in between them. If there is no air particles, no medium will be there, means by conduction or convection this heat particle will cannot come outside. Or by radiation, if it comes outside, then there is a silver polish. Silver polish can reflect back the heat into the liquid, it will remain hot only. And plus here we are having the opening also. Whatsoever opening is there of the bottle, that opening is also evacuated or you can sealed, properly sealed. Why? Because whatsoever heat can move from this way, it cannot move because here tap is sealed properly. Clear? And now this flask, whatsoever flask is there in between the thermos flask, that flask is a contained in a metal or a plastic case. Here outside we are having either metal or plastic case, and inside we kept a flask. Okay, and this flask is retained or spotted at this pads, so that it cannot, the heat cannot move from these pads also downside. Clear? And mouth is also sealed, downside is also sealed. Here also no radiation, no conduction can takes place. That is why whatsoever hot material or cold material is there, it can remain cold or hot for the few minutes or few hours. Okay.